You see this? This is basically one pack of Marley hair, and it comes like that. So I was figuring out, it's like, hey, I don't have any hair to wear, and I just didn't want to wear this one piece as a big ponytail right here. So I said, let me try to make some bangs. So you take either end, whichever end you want. There's some frayed pieces as well, so just kind of even it out. Place it where you want your bang to be. See how I'm doing that? And you're just taking this part and covering it, covering your hair. And using bobby pins. Basically, that's it. Pin the bang down. So pin it down there. That's how it's looking. Just take this part and twist, 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 and twist some more. Take it and you can actually wrap it around. Make sure it's taut. Put your bang back in the middle. Keep twisting. Get a bobby pin. I use one of these big bobby pins. Actually, you can put one in the back. Which way did I twist it? This way. Keep twisting and just tuck it in the bottom. Put the bobby pin in the back. Check it, check it. There's some frayed pieces. You just take and boop. And voila. Now it's doing this. So you just take it and crunch it, scrunch it, crunch it, whatever you want to use. Scrunch, crunch. And tuck any other pieces that you may see. Boom. And there you have your bang off of one piece of hair. Whoop. You can have your bang however long or short you want it. And this is it. Redo your lipstick. This can be for work or there you go. You can also take it and just make it go underneath like that. You can pin it like that if you choose to, however you choose to wear it. You can wear it straight that or just a little messy. Separate them at the top and boom. You can have more or less hair, so up to you. You can cut these pieces. If you choose. So let's try this. So, see this off of one piece of Marley hair. I don't know if you can actually see it, but one piece of Marley hair. There you go. You can paint these if you want. Bang down. people.